Ravi was a creature of habit. Every morning at exactly 8:15, he visited the same cafe, ordered the same black coffee, and left without saying much. But one morning, something changed. The paper cup had a number on it, 42. Ravi didn't think much of it until the next day. His cup read 41, then 40. Day after day, the number dropped steadily. He tried to ignore it, but the countdown haunted him. Was it a joke, a message, a warning? By the time it reached 1, he was restless. He barely slept, wondering what would happen when it reached 0. Final day, Ravi receives his coffee, marked 0. He opened the lid slowly, heart pounding. Inside, there was a note. It read, "You've made it to the end. Now it's time for a beginning. Sometimes the smallest routines lead to the most unexpected chapters." Life speaks softly. Are you listening?